welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kate. If you're not, welcome back. I would love for you to subscribe and hit the little notification bell button, that way you're notified every time I upload. So this video has been highly requested on my Instagram because I posted this photo and you know, I thought I looked cute, but I didn't think people would want to see a video of my simple makeup look and also my little like messy put together bun. A lot of you guys DM'd me and complimented me and told me, even though it's so simple, to please do a tutorial. So here I am listening to you guys, and I did this whole tutorial on my makeup and my hair, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I don't speak throughout the video just because it's very simple, self-explanatory. I've used these products before in different videos, so I already love these products. You guys know that. If you don't know that I do like these products, they're very like natural, simple, and that's what my makeup is today. I don't have any foundation on, but I did do like the rest of my makeup, concealer, eyebrows, bronzer and stuff like that. So please keep watching if you want to see how I achieved this hair and this makeup look.